Hey everyone, this is Grant I'm with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Dallas Best Apartments. Hey, we're at the Kincaid at Legacy in Plano, Texas. The Kincaid at Legacy in Plano, Texas. Wow, this is the master bedroom. This is actually a two-bedroom den or three-bedroom, whatever you want to call it. But this is the master bedroom here, and this is a penthouse. So I was just showing it off, how pretty it is. The beautiful walls, the really high, beautiful ceilings, and then so much light. I mean, you've got a penthouse experience waiting for you with great windows here. You've got a huge bedroom, plenty of space to take care of that king bed, lots of other TV, lots of other things in here too. It's a very pretty master. This is the bathroom. The bathroom is very large. It's got, you can see the lighting that's here. It's really pretty. It's a quartz countertops. That's really nice. It's dual sink too, so perfect for yourself and a guest. Or that special someone. You also have a great stand-up shower and a really cool tub. You also have a wonderful closet that comes with it. Lots of storage in here. It's really big. Huge closet. You can see over here there's a washer dryer connected over there. Hey, it's a really special master bedroom and bath in this gorgeous 3-bedroom or 2-bedroom study penthouse at the Kincaid. Hey, if you want to see some more information about the Kincaid, the best thing to do really is to take a quick tour, a virtual tour. Let me set up that tour for you. Send me a text, just copy down my number below, put it in your phone, send me a text, and then say, Grant, I want to do a virtual tour, maybe even tomorrow, of the Kincaid, maybe even today. If it's early in the day, I can set it up for today. If it's more for tomorrow or the next day, it's going to be no problem. So I'll take care of you on that. Get a taste of what it's like, and then we can kind of go from there. So take down my info, send me that text, and then let's see the Kincaid.